Hey, so if you're looking for the best accounting and bookkeeping software for Square, then I invite you to check out Link My Books with a special free trial link down in the description of this video, plus free onboarding link and a great discount code to help you save money on Link My Books, plus tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of Link My Books. So Square integration, Link My Books helps you sync Square payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, offering a clear breakdown of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So basically, accounting bookkeeping software, accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot with Link My Books, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, and built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Check out free trial, free onboarding link in the description, best discount, all the tutorial videos. Also, Link My Books integrates with, as previously mentioned, with Square, but also with WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, Walmart, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. Now, another cool thing is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers that are managing e-commerce sellers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, check out the video down in the description where myself, great to meet you, Vova Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, show you from A to Z how to use Link My Books for your business, basically from A to Z. We show you all the ins and outs of this Link My Book of this tool, and it's a 30-minute from A to Z tutorial. Now, if you are an accountant or bookkeeper and you'd like to use Link My Books to help you manage your e-commerce clients, there's another video down in the description with myself, Bob Evan, and Daniel Little, co-founder of Link My Books. In this 41-minute tutorial will show you how to make the most for your accounting and bookkeeping business with the help of Link My Books. 41-minute A to Z tutorial. So again, if you need the best accounting bookkeeping software for Square, check out Link My Books. Free trial link is in the description. Free onboarding, best discount, and the tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of it. Good luck to you. Gain financial clarity with Link My Books and be well. Good luck.